My homeland is in Kampot province. It is in the south of Cambodia. Kampot is a quiet and beautiful place. Many people there are farmers and fishermen. There are many rivers and mountains in Kampot. The air is fresh and the weather is nice. The Kampot River is very long and many people like to take boat rides on it. Kampot is famous for its pepper. The pepper farms are big and the pepper is very tasty. Many people from different countries come to Kampot to buy the pepper. There are also nice places to visit. Boko Mountain is very high and cool. Many tourists go there to see the old buildings and enjoy the view. I love my homeland very much. The people are friendly and kind. I feel happy to live in Kampot province. New words South ទិសខាងត្បូង Fisherman អ្នកនេសាទ Quiet ស្ងប់ស្ងាត់ View ទេសភាព Farmer កសិករ Building អគារ Pepper ម្រេច Tourist ភ្ញៀវទេសចរ Tasty ឆ្ងាញ់ Famous ល្បីល្បាញ Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day. I am an English teacher. I teach students online every day. I work from my home and I use my computer to teach. My students are from different countries. In the morning, I drink coffee and check my schedule. Then I start my first class. I speak slowly and use easy words. I help students with grammar, vocabulary, and speaking. In the afternoon, I take a short break. I eat lunch and relax for a little while. After that, I teach more classes. Sometimes I give students homework. In the evening, I finish my work and turn off my computer. I feel happy because I help people learn English. Teaching online is fun and interesting for me. There are many reasons to learn English. English is a very important language. Many people in the world speak English. It helps us talk to people from other countries. We can use English to travel when we go to other countries. English helps us ask questions and understand signs. It is easy to travel when we can speak English. English is good for jobs. Many companies need workers who speak English. If we can speak English, we can find a better job and earn more money. We can also use English to watch movies and listen to songs. Many famous movies and songs are in English. When we understand English, we can enjoy them more. English helps us learn more. There are many books and websites in English. When we know English, we can read and learn new things every day. Importance of sports. Playing sports is very important. It helps us stay healthy and strong. When we play sports, we move our bodies and get good exercise. Sports are also fun. We can play with our friends and enjoy our time. Games like football, volleyball, and basketball make us happy. Playing sports teaches us teamwork. We learn to work with others and share. This helps us in school and in life. Sports also help us relax. When we feel tired or sad, playing a game can make us feel better. It gives us energy and a good mood. In the end, sports are good for our body and mind. We should play sports every day. It helps us live a happy and healthy life. How to reduce stress in our life? 1. Take deep breaths. When you feel stressed, take deep breaths. Breathe in slowly through your nose and out through your mouth. Deep breathing helps you feel calm and relaxed. It gives your body time to slow down and feel better. 2. Get enough sleep. Sleep is very important. When you sleep well, your body and mind can rest. Try to go to bed at the same time every night. Sleep for 8 to 9 hours if you can. A good night's sleep helps you feel strong and ready for the day. 3. Exercise every day. Moving your body helps you feel happy. You can walk, run, dance, or play a sport. Exercise makes your brain release chemicals that make you feel good. Try to do some kind of exercise every day, even for a short time. 4. Eat healthy food. Eating good food gives your body the energy it needs. Try to eat fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and drink water. Avoid too much sugar or junk food. When your body feels good, your mind can feel good too. 5. Talk to someone. When you feel worried or sad, talk to someone you trust. It could be a friend, a family member, or a teacher. Talking helps you feel less alone. Sometimes just saying how you feel can make you feel better. 6. Take breaks and have fun. Don't work all the time. Take breaks to relax. Do something fun like reading, listening to music, or playing a game. Doing things you enjoy helps you forget stress and feel happy. Last week, I went on a holiday with my family. We visited the beach and stayed in a small hotel near the sea. The weather was sunny and warm every day. We spent most of our time swimming in the ocean and playing in the sand. I built a big sand castle with my little sister. In the evenings, we ate dinner at different restaurants and tried new food. On the last day, we went shopping for souvenirs. I bought a small keychain and a postcard. I had a lot of fun during my holiday, and I hope we can go again next year. ពាក្យថ្មី keychain បន្តោងសោ weather អាកាសធាតុ sunny ដែលមានពន្លឺព្រះអាទិត្យ warm ក្តៅល្មមក្តៅអ៊ុនៗ sand castle វិមានដីខ្សាច់ hope សង្ឃឹម ocean មហាសមុទ្រ different ខុសគ្នាផ្សេងគ្នា souvenir វត្ថុអនុស្សាវរីយ៍ fun ភាពរីករាយ postcard កាតប្រៃសណីយ៍ beach ឆ្នេរសមុទ្រ Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Goodbye. Have a nice day.